In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your store linked so your customer data can sync to Mailchimp for email campaigns and automations. Before we start, make sure you have your Shopify login and your Mailchimp login ready and that you're an admin on the Shopify store. Open your browser and go to the Shopify website. In the top right corner, click the login button, then select your Shopify account. If you manage multiple stores, choose the store you want to connect. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard, which is the main control center for your online store. On the left-hand panel of the dashboard, find Apps. Click it, then choose the option to add a new app. This will take you to the Shopify App Store, where you can browse and install apps that extend your store's functionality. In the App Store search bar, type Mailchimp, look for the official Mailchimp app and click on it to open the apps page. Here you can review what the app does and the permissions it requires. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen explaining what the app can access. Click Install again to confirm. This step authorizes the app to connect to your store so it can sync customer and order data. After installation, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account, enter your credentials and continue. You'll see an authorization screen where Mailchimp asks for permission to connect to your Shopify store. Click Allow to authorize. This enables the secure connection between the two platforms. Once authorized, you'll land in the app interface where you can start the sync. Click Sync now. The app will begin importing your store data into Mailchimp, typically including customers and purchase history, so you can segment audiences and build targeted campaigns. The first sync can take a few minutes depending on the size of your store. You can keep this tab open while it runs. If you step away, don't worry, Mailchimp continues working in the background. If you notice any errors, make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store and Mailchimp account and that you have the necessary permissions. To return to the app later, go back to the apps section in your Shopify dashboard and open Mailchimp from your installed apps. That's it. You've connected Mailchimp to Shopify and kicked off your first sync, setting the stage for smarter email marketing powered by your store data.